Hey guys, it's your girl Truly Jam. So I'm back to do my cell phone case, which I have been telling you guys I'm gonna do it. So now I'm here doing it. So let's get started. I don't want to make this a long video. So the first thing you need is, of course, your cell phone case. And I got this clear one a while ago. I just been wearing it clear because I really like it. Sorry you guys for all the black on my hands. If you guys didn't see my last video I posted yesterday, go look at it. It was a diaper cake that I made, and I had to paint the letters for the baby name. So then you need a napkin of some sort. You also need a file. I don't know if you'll need scissors, but it's always good to have on hand. Well, you will, to cut the bags. You want to get some embellishments, a sheet of paper, a pick-me-up tool, this is glow-in-the-dark powder. I want to put some of that in there, so I got that. You need some stones if you want to put that in there. You need a tray for the stones, and then you also need some kind of glitter. I'm not going to put a lot of glitter in there. Then you also need something to stir it with. Then you're also going to want to have alcohol around, because you guys, this alcohol gets stuff off so quick. Any resin projects, anything cleaning off the surface of your thing, which I've already done, is great. Then you will need some of these tips for piping. You also need piping bags. I always keep a couple on hand just in case I mess up one, but I'm only going to need one. You also need something to stir with. I am out of my sticks, so I have to use this. I hate that. Then your silicone. This is the silicone that I use. So yeah, let me make sure this video upright. So sorry you guys if the angle looked funny. It wasn't even upright. But here is the silicone that I use. Walmart had a sale for these. They were like $3 each, so I got a whole bunch. And you want the clear. You can also get the white, but I like the clear too. But you can mix them both for a certain. Like if you do this, it'll be more see-through than if you do the white. The white will be just white, but you can mix this and a little bit of the clear. And a little bit of the white if you want. Just make sure it's 100% silicone. And then you also need a caulking gun. So this is the one I chose. I love it. It was only, I think, $3 or $2 at Walmart. It's great. So I'm going to clear some of this off, and we're going to get started. Everything I'm not going to use right now. I'm just going to move this off to the side. Oh, and you'll also need a pen. And the reason why I say you need a pen or a pencil is because you're going to trace on the sheet of paper the size and the outline of this, so that you can set it up over here and know exactly how you're going to lay it out on here. So I always do that. So what I'm going to do is move everything this way. And move this over here. So I'm going to bring this over here. Now, you want to have a nice container. I do a lot of resin stuff with this. You don't want to use something that you cook with, because you don't want to mix the two. It's just like with soaping and stuff like that. You don't want to mix your products so it can get contaminated or whatever. So anytime you use something for resin, silicone, or making soaps, never use them for cooking. I'm telling you guys, it's a very good tip I just gave you. So let's get started. How we open the silicone is you want to push this back, and then right here there's a hole where you can cut off the top. I hope this is not hard, and I'm at a bad angle. So you put that in there, and then you clamp it down. So I just cut that off, and if the hole isn't punched in, this on here, you pull it out, and then you make sure you can push it in there. So that can be open. I have to hold this. I hope you guys can see me. Yeah. Uh-oh. I need a bigger working area. So you want to push it in there to make sure it's open, and then pull it out. So I'm just going to take this, pull it all the way back. I'm going to put this back. And then you want to put this and drop it down in there. And then you just start cooking. I think I should cut it down a little more. So yeah, what I did was cut it down a lot more. Okay, now let's prep this. So what you want to do is get your emery board and scratch up the surface a little bit. Because this is silicone, it should stick pretty good, but you always want to mess up the grooves a little bit. As you can see, I scratched it up. And you guys need gloves and a mask because this stuff is like super duper strong. You're also gonna need tape. So what I do is, because I don't like to mess up the tubing, even though it's very inexpensive, I still don't like to mess them up. So I take it and I wrap it around here a couple times. I like my thing. Dollar Tree, guys. And you make sure you're taping it really good. Because like I said, you will be putting a little bit of pressure on this to try to get it out. Okay, so that way, as you see, it's coming out of there. So all of that is lined with this plastic, so it won't touch the inside. So when you pull this off, there won't be nothing in the inside, because all you gotta do is cut off the tip. So there you go. Wait, you want to cut it down a little bit more, because I want to make sure I get the design. Okay, you guys, there it is. Now I'm going to let this dry. I'm going to tell you just how long it took for it to dry. When I come back, so sit this off to the side. I got something to cover over the top of it so nothing would get on it. And look at how much, I'll put that up. Look at how much I got left. So we'll be trying to pipe out some little meringues and show you guys those two tomorrow, hopefully. So yeah, this is it. This is my first time using this. When I normally do mine, I just bling them out with rhinestones all over. But I'm kind of liking how this is coming out. So yeah, I'm going to sit it up by itself on the side, and we'll be back to see it tomorrow. I'm going to give you guys a closer look. So here's the closer look. What? Yeah, you guys, this stuff is really strong. So yeah, see you tomorrow. So yeah, you guys, I'm coming back to show you guys how it looks, and I love how it looks. All I did was added a little bit of crystals here, the AB crystals. That's not one that's on there. This one is on my workstation. But yeah, I really love how it came out, and it's all the way dry. So yeah, I'm loving it. So yeah, you guys let me know what you think. Like, share, and subscribe. Thumbs up these videos, and as always, have a blessed night.